On my first YouTube channel, I spent hundreds of hours editing videos and later thousands of dollars on a human editor to do it for me. In fact, sometimes I didn't even know how to pay my bills at the end of the month because the editing was eating up all the profit from ad revenue and sponsorships. But good editing is required for viewer retention. Without it, people will just click off your video. Nowadays, there are AI tools that can do the editing for us, and one of them is Jupitrr AI. This tool adds B-roll, clicks, music and captions to your video to make them more engaging. The question is it as good as a human editor and can we save a ton of money with it? This is what we will find out in this video. We will take a raw talking head video of mine, run it through Jupitrr and then compare it with a video that was edited by a human. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. To use the tool, go to jupitrr.com and create your account here. I will also put the link into the video description together with a 10% discount code. But they also have a free tier that allows you to create 3 videos per month completely for free. Go ahead and create your account. And the user interface is pretty simple and clean. We can create a talking head video or create a video from an audio file. We will try audio to video later. For now we create a talking head video. Levio is a new feature they just added. It's basically an AI chatbot like ChatGPT that can edit the video for you. You will see this in action in a moment. Now this is the raw, unedited talking head video I'm going to upload. Let's take a look at it. Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life. Shiny object. There are no captions, no graphic whatsoever. It's just me talking, but the video is already cut because Jupitrr doesn't cut the video for you. It only adds graphics, music and captions. You have to prepare the video. Jump from one thing to another because it becomes more interesting. For example, let's say you have been learning JavaScript for a few months, but now suddenly Python looks much more interesting. Yeah, we don't need to watch the whole thing. For comparison, this is the video I got back from my human editor. Let's take a look at this as well. Object syndrome is ruining your life. So we have captions, we have some icons and we have B-roll footage. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump from one thing to another because it becomes more interesting. For example, let's say you have been learning JavaScript for a few. Now I paid $20 for one of these 1 minute long shorts, which is pretty cheap, but if you want to post one of these per day, then it still adds up to $600 every month. With Jupitrr we can create the same amount of videos per month for about $13. But of course the question is it as good as a human editor? Let's upload the raw footage and see what Jupitrr can do for us. I give this project a name and set the language to English. Jupitrr can also auto-detect the language, but I already know the language, so it makes sense to select it here. Now it's uploading the file and then it will edit the video for us. And after a few minutes our video is ready. Let's check it out together. Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life. So immediately in the beginning we have the zoom effect, which is pretty cool. Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life. And we have this text here which is called the hook, and of course we have captions with this karaoke effect where it highlights the word I'm currently speaking. And I have to say these captions are generally pretty exact even though I have a strong German accent, but the AI is good enough to figure out what I'm actually saying. Let's watch the rest. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump from one thing to another because it becomes more interesting. For example, let's say you have been learning JavaScript for... Yeah, this is a B-roll clip. Those are clips we add on top of the raw footage to make the video more engaging. A few months, but now suddenly... And it looks pretty good if you ask me. Then looks much more interesting. Or you're not finishing any of your side projects and always start new ones. This is because everything becomes boring and difficult after a while. So there are different B-roll styles. Sometimes it shows the clip in full screen, sometimes it shows a split screen or with this little gradient effect here. This is pretty cool. Every programming language sucks in some way. But if you jump around all the time, you will never get good at something and you might never become job ready. Instead do this. We can also change the preset here on the left, which changes the theme of the styling. So the color of the captions, the positioning, the font and so on. Let's try out a different one, this one here for example. Let's check this out as well. Shiny object syndrome is ruined. So we have a different intro effect, a different hook. Live. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump and the captions look different. You can play around with different presets, but we can also customize this more specifically. So either we can go to the B-roll tab and change this ourselves, or we can use this Livio AI chat over here, which can do it for us. Let's say we want to change the B-roll here at 15 seconds because this one looks a bit boring. Then we can tell the AI, change the B-roll at 0:15 to someone looking bored and tired. Let's try this out. And this is the result. Now it added children, which is not a great choice, but let's check it out. More interesting. Or you're not finishing any of... Let's tell the AI to use grown-ups instead. Please show a man or woman instead. Now we can't send this before we accepted the changes, so we accept and then we send this message as a follow-up. Now the chat is a bit quirky because we can't see previous messages, but they do exist in the history. Yeah, this didn't work at all. It didn't change the B-roll this time, so Livio is definitely still a bit buggy because it's still in beta. Let's try changing the B-roll ourselves instead. So we have to search for the text snippets that we say at this position in the video. Should be this one here. You're not finishing any of your side projects and always start new ones. We can click on this and then we can modify this ourselves. We can upload an image, for example, or we can pick one from a stock database. Here we can see the search query that the AI used to search these images. It just didn't pick a very good one. Let me go to the stock assets. Yeah, and let's pick this woman here instead. Okay, this is more fitting, I think. We can also change the display style. We already saw a bunch of different options earlier. We can make this full screen. We can use this fade effect or split like it was before. You can play around with this. And we can change the duration of the B-roll by dragging this yellow box. So if I want this to show up only for half the sentence, I can drag it over here. And now this image will show up Python looks much more interesting. Or you're not finishing any of your side projects. There we go. But I want to set this back to the full duration because this looked better. Now some of these stock images have a watermark on them, but this will be removed when you export the video. So you actually get a license to use all these stock footage clips. This is included in your Livio subscription. And according to their website, they are going to add more different types of B-rolls in the future, like news articles, charts and graphs, and more different numbers. Let's play around with Livio a little bit more and see what it actually can do. Now after you made a change, it's good to start a new chat over here, even when the chat history is empty, because there's actually a history in there, it's just not visible. So this is still a bit quirky. Let's ask it to change the hook to "Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life." And the hook is this text here in the beginning, right? Let's send this. And it did change the text, so we accept this. Then I want to start a new chat again. When I say "shiny object syndrome" in the beginning, show B-roll footage of a shiny diamond or an object. There we go, a shiny diamond. Shiny object syndrome. Unfortunately, the hook is placed on top of the B-roll, so this is not perfect yet. Let's change this ourselves by moving the B-roll to the top with this fade effect, which looks a bit better. Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life. Let's also ask it to make the background music a bit quieter. For comparison, this is before. Shiny object syndrome is ruining you, and this is after. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump from one... Yeah, it should be a bit quieter. Let's accept this. Make the subtitles a bit smaller. This worked. Lower the subtitles by 50 pixels, so I want them lower in the video. This worked as well. And now lastly, pick a more engaging background music. This one didn't work and it throws an error instead, because Livio can't yet do this, again because this is still in beta. It will probably work in the future, but a lot of things you still have to do manually. We can change the music here in the settings. I'm gonna use this one because it sounds cooler. We can change a few more things. We can change the emojis. Sometimes the AI adds emojis to the video and you can change this here. In this video it didn't. If there are mistakes in the subtitles, you can modify them here directly. And in the settings we can also add a watermark to the video, for example our logo. We can change the size and positioning. Unfortunately we can't make it transparent, which would be cool. But down here you can see the logo in the bottom right corner. There are a few more settings. You can deactivate the hook altogether. There is also a filter on my face that you can activate or deactivate, but it actually looks good. It gives me a more healthy skin color because I'm a programmer and I actually don't leave the house very often. Yeah, and that's pretty much all the stuff we can do in here, and when we are happy with the video, we can export it. They keep the interface pretty simple, which is good for non-technical people. For example, for the quality, we don't select 1080p or 4K, we select where we want to post the video. Let's say we want to post this on social media. This will now render the video and then we can download it and post it. Let's compare the AI with the human edited video and let me know in the comments which version you like more. I will tell you my opinion at the end of the video. We play both side by side and I only have the audio of the AI video activated right now. Shiny object syndrome is ruining your life. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump from one thing to another because it becomes more interesting. For example, let's say you have been learning JavaScript for a few months, but now suddenly Python looks much more interesting. Or you're not finishing any of your side projects and always start new ones. This is because everything becomes boring and difficult after a while and every programming language. Now let's use the audio of the human edited video for comparison. If you jump around all the time, you will never get good at something and you might never become job ready. Instead, do this. When things become boring, set yourself a learning schedule. Set fixed time blocks in your calendar where you have to code or study code. If you're really unmotivated, make these blocks short, 45 minutes or so. But commit to them and your motivation will come and go over time, but you will get a much deeper sense of satisfaction from actually mastering a topic. And following the strategy is really important because before I give you my opinion, let's also try audio to video. Here I'm gonna upload the same Shiny Object Syndrome script, but only as an audio file without any video footage. Let's set the dimension to landscape this time to see how this looks and set the language to English again. Let's check this out as well. Shiny Object Syndrome. And again, the Getty Images watermark here will be removed when you export the video. Syndrome is ruining your life. Shiny object syndrome is when you jump from one thing to another because it becomes more interesting. For example, let's say you have been learning JavaScript for a few months, but now suddenly Python looks much more interesting. Or you're not finishing any of your side projects and always start new ones. This is because everything becomes boring and difficult after a while and every programming language sucks in some way. But if you jump around all the time, you will never get good at something and you might never become job ready. Instead, do this. When things become boring, set yourself a learning schedule. Set fixed time blocks in your calendar where you have to code or study code. If you're really unmotivated, make these blocks short, 45 minutes or so. But commit to them and your motivation will come and go over time, but you will get a much deeper sense of satisfaction from actually mastering a topic. And following the strategy is really important because I think this is pretty good considering that we started with only a script. Now here we don't have as many editing options when it comes to the B-roll. We can replace the B-roll, but we can't really change its positioning or duration, which makes sense because there is no talking head video below the B-roll, right? There's also no Livio chat here, but you can change the emojis, modify the subtitles, change the background music and so on. So what's my review? Can we save thousands of dollars on a video editor by using Jupitrr AI? I think human editors are still ahead of AI because they bring more creativity and they better understand your topic and the culture around it. Whereas the AI basically just searches for certain keywords and adds them to your videos. On the other hand, of course, this AI keeps getting better and better, but it's not quite there yet. If you want to save money and you don't want to pay hundreds of dollars every month for an editor, then I think it's a good idea to adopt a hybrid approach, where you first run your video through Jupitrr, but then you probably have to make modifications yourself to make sure it really looks good. And the most important part is that the talking head footage that you use is already good. The topic you talk about should be interesting because then viewers will watch it, and the B-roll is secondary. To find out if it's the right thing for you, just try it out yourself. If you want to try Livio for free, again the link is in the video description below together with a 10% discount code. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tool review videos and then I see you in the next video. Take care.